the water came up to this height across their entire basement.
Wow.
So if you're paying the whole basement.
So how tall are you?
I'm 6'5".
And it came up to 6'5".
Came up to 6'5".
Wow.
Couldn't go any higher because the second floor stopped for the stairs when we came down.
Yeah.
Basically, it's so high. I mean, it was up. You know, it just stopped because I guess that's where the water.
That was 2014 or 7?
That was 2014.
Okay. Wow.
Also, in 2006, 7, same thing. Twice. So we had to replace. I mean, it was. We still saying what we lost. We entire basement here, so that the water will come down the wall, goes in the French drain, wherever it goes, and then it goes out through the sump pumps on either sump pump. So I raised this up to that level. That's about 18 inches. So across the entire, the water will come up. So the water back here, at both times it flooded. You see this line here? That's where the water line was.
Wow.
So it was that high, right here, across the entire basement.